Welcome to the MathLinks Essentials video series. In this session, we will preview a student packet. Each student packet has 5 sections. These are My Word Bank, an opening problem, 3 lessons, a review section, and a final section with extra resources. We will take a closer look at each section. My Word Bank is a vocabulary graphic organizer on the inside front cover of every student packet. Reminders are located in lessons to discuss and record student-friendly explanations as the words appear in context. Precise definitions and examples are located in the last section for reference. The opening problem is a hook to grab students' interest and engage them in concepts they will encounter in the packet. Some, like this one, are relatively short and only take part of a class period. Others include a PowerPoint and teacher notes, which are located in the teacher edition or on the teacher portal. These opening problems may take a full class period, and some are revisited later in the packet after students acquire more skills. Each student packet includes 3 lessons that focus on concept development, problem solving, and skills practice. Lessons begin with a Getting Started page to activate prior knowledge. The named pages are intended to be teacher-driven. Some named pages have PowerPoints and lesson notes in the teacher edition or teacher portal. The numbered practice pages are worksheets for guided or independent practice. The review section revisits the major concepts, skills, and vocabulary. Each includes activities such as vocabulary crosswords, matching exercises, big square puzzles, and poster problems. The final section contains 2 parts. First, you'll find precise definitions and explanations. This is followed by examples using strategies or representations explored in the 3 lessons. That's the student packet in a nutshell. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other MathLinks Essentials videos or visit our website. Thanks for watching.